And if you have any problem about your skin, like for example, you have acne scars, hyperpigmentation, discoloration, anti-aging, large pores, and so on, this video is perfect for you. Guys, it's your girl Angel and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be another skincare video, and this is my updated skincare routine. So I've been using this for 4 days already, and this is the Hikaru Skincare set. So they sent me their set with microblading skincare tool. And if you have any problem about your skin, like for example, you have acne scars, hyperpigmentation, discoloration, anti-aging, large pores, and so on, this video is perfect for you. So without further ado, let's get started! So as you can see guys, this is my face right now. So meron akong makeup. And to remove my makeup, I'm using this deep cleansing and moisturizing oil from Hikaru Skincare. So it removes dirt, excess oil, and makeup easily. And yung ingredients niya guys, it has virgin coconut oil, sunflower oil, sweet almond oil, golden jojoba oil, argan oil, and ayan, nilalagyan ko na yung face ko ng moisturizing oil niya or yung makeup remover nila. And super ganda niya sa face. I really love this one. Plus yung scent, alam mo yung coconut oil. Pero ang bango niya guys, I swear. And after ko to ginagawa guys, napansin ko talaga na nare-remove niya yung dirt sa face ko, and ang soft ng face ko, parang ang ganda-ganda ng face ko after ko siyang ginagawa. So tatanggalin ko na rin yung sa kilay kong part kasi kailangan. Ayan, kasi ako usually nag-makeup ako everyday kasi kapag may shoot ganyan, and ito yung ginagamit ko to remove my makeup, and ayun nga, para ma-remove na din yung mga excess, yung mga dirt sa face ko and excess oil. So, napansin ko talaga sobrang ganda niya sa face, swear. And, ang kagandahan nga sa kanya, oil-based siya, puro oil yung ginamit sa kanya, kaya parang ang healthy tingnan ng face. Imamassage mo lang siya guys, para ma-remove yung mga dirt and excess oil, and yung makeup mo, massage with circular motion. And after nun, pag medyo na-feel mo na okay na, wala ng dirt or excess dirt sa face mo, babaluan mo lang siya ng warm water para mas maganda. Kasi nga oil siya, diba? So, mas magandang warm water yung pang babanlaw mo sa kanya, or yung cloth, towel, ganyan, na warm, para matanggal talaga lahat. Hindi pala siya na-record. And as you can see guys, ayan, natanggal na yung makeup ko kanina. Then nakita nyo, sobrang soft ng face ko. As in, nakita nyo ba yung glow guys? Look at the glow. And alam mo yung parang sobrang ang linis tingnan, or ang glowing ng face ko right now. Sobrang lakas nito makapag-moisturize ng face. And ayan guys, sobrang ganda niya talaga, I swear. Parang kahit ito pa nga lang, okay na, panalo na eh. Alam mo yun. Then, pero syempre, kailangan pa rin nating linisin ang ating face. Using this bubble foam cleanser from Hikaru. So, sabi dito, it good for repairing, deep cleansing, and moisturizing. So, which is super true naman. Na-notice ko talaga yung skin ko lately. Parang ang glowing niya. Kasi last time, napansin ko, yung dito kong side, yung ditong part ng skin ko, para siyang nagda-dry or nagpa-patch. So, pero nung na-start ko siyang gamitin, ni-start ko siyang gamitin, ayun, napansin ko na wala yung dryness dito sa part na to, yung ditong part. Basta yan, nagda-dry yan, swear. So, ayun, nung ginamit ko siya, and ito, gagamitin ko na yung bubble foam cleanser nila. And sobrang ganda din ng ano nito, guys. Look at that. So, ganyan lang natin siya with circular. Then, pump tayo again. Dito naman sa forehead. Ayun, ang bango nito, guys. Hindi siya yung nakaka-bother na scent, pero mabango siya. Banlaw lang ako din. I'll be back, okay? So, ayan. Tapos ko ng banlawan yung face. Nagama face, guys. Nakita niyo ba? Don't mind my, ano na lang, eye bugs. Parang ilang araw na akong puyat. My gosh. So, this foam cleanser, guys, it helps the skin to keep hydrated without stripping the moisture on our face. Plus, and it also removes the dirt, excess oil, and it provides 24 hours hydration on the skin, and it leaves moisturized and non-greasy feels kapag ginamit ko siya. And I swear, guys, super soft talaga ng skin ko every time I use this cleanser. And after using my bubble foam cleanser, nag-start naman na ako dito kay Derma Roller. So, sinusoak ko siya sa alcohol for at least 20 minutes before using it, guys, ha? Kasi kailangan talagang nakasoak siya sa alcohol for at least 20 minutes. Para ma-disinfect or sanitize mo muna yung Derma Roller mo. Kasi it has 0.50 mm na needle, as you can see here. So, may needle siya, guys, and to be honest, guys, this is my first time using Derma Roller at home. And advisable lang na gamitin at home is at least 0.50 mm na needle ng Derma Roller. So, ang ginagawa ko naman, guys, nagpo-focus lang ako kung saan ko need gamitin yung Derma Roller. Pero, usually, ganito ginagawa ko. So, upward. Pag ganyan lang, guys. Then, do it for at least 2 minutes. So, ganyan nyo lang siya, guys. Roll nyo lang. Ang dito sa nose part. And, to be honest, guys, kung medyo may pagka-low tolerance kayo sa pain, medyo ano naman to, tolerable. And, for example, guys, pag i-move nyo siya, hindi pwedeng pa ganun, ha? Kailangan pa ganyan lang, pa up. Pwede naman pa ganyan. Pero kapag maglilipat ka ng ibang part, kailangan, i-up mo muna siya, then roll mo ulit. So, ganyan. So, medyo may mapapansin ka na parang sting sa face mo. And I suggest na gamitin nyo siya at least once a week kapag medyo bago-bago ka pa lang. Then, tapos, at night, para yung face mo or yung skin mo, makapag-rest siya overnight. So, yun. Then, hindi ka rin pwede mag-wear ng makeup or something. Hindi mo rin siya pwedeng basain kapag nagganto ka na. So, dapat talaga gabi mo siya gagawin para yung overnight mo, yun na yung time para makapag-rest yung skin mo. Okay. So, ayan guys, tapos ko nang gamitin yung Derma Roller sa face ko. And my last step is this Cherry Blossom Anti-Aging Serum nila. And kagandaan sa kanya, guys, meron na siyang whitening. At the same time, meron na rin siyang natural 2-in-1 glow and youth booster. So, super perfect siya for the skin. It also has collagen. So, ayan, so sobrang ganda talaga nitong anti-aging serum nila. And yung texture, guys, super nice din. So, ayan, I'm done with my skincare routine. Then, as you can see, this is my face. After kong gamitin lahat ng products ng Hikaru, hindi ko muna siya hawakan masyado kasi medyo stingy, something siya, or hindi rin ako maghihilamos na. Hindi muna ako magme-makeup for 24 hours. So, bukas is my rest day. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. And this is my face.